Starter solenoid. Wiring diagram. A starter solenoid in an automobile is an electromagnetically actuated switch that enables the engine to start by providing an electric current to the starter motor. It consists of two main components, an electromagnet, activated when a current passes through it, and a plunger that completes the circuit by engaging with the starter motor. Many people get confused between the starter motor and the starter solenoid. A starter consists of two components, a starter motor assembly and a solenoid. A starter motor assembly is the more extensive cylindrical component used to crank the engine, while a starter solenoid is a small cylindrical component placed on the top of the starter motor assembly, which makes and breaks the connection between the starter motor assembly and the battery. Now let's see. Starter solenoid wiring diagram. The starter solenoid wiring diagram is straightforward, don't worry. I am here to explain it quickly. A starter solenoid has 3 small pin-type terminals and 2 thicker bolt-type terminals. The small pin-type terminal is called the S-terminal. The S-terminal links with the ignition switch circuit. This circuit is called the starter solenoid control wire, which links the ignition wire to the starter solenoid. The ignition switch sends the current to the starter solenoid through the fuse, then to the neutral safety switch, then to the starter relay, and finally to the starter solenoid. The starter solenoid's one thicker terminal is the input terminal, means the battery's positive power source enters the solenoid through this terminal. The second thicker terminal is the output terminal, which goes to the starter motor assembly. The camshaft sensor provides data to the ECM or PCM. The ECM or PCM decides to send the signal to the starter relay to activate it. Now, let's see. A 3-pole starter solenoid wiring diagram. A 3-pole starter solenoid is usually also called a 3-terminal starter solenoid. It is the same starter solenoid we have discussed before. A 3-pole starter solenoid has 3 terminals at the back of the solenoid cap, 1 small terminal, and 2 thicker terminals. The small terminal is called the S-terminal, which stands for signal, means the ignition switch signals the starter solenoid for activation through this terminal. The other 2 terminals are thicker and more prominent, with one terminal being a feed terminal connected to the battery positive power source. The second thicker terminal is the output terminal and is connected to the starter motor assembly. Finally, we shall discuss what wires go to the starter solenoid. The starter solenoid wiring diagram is no more a mystery. It is straightforward. Here is a quick illustration if you don't know what wires go to the starter solenoid. 1. The pin-type S-terminal goes to the ignition switch. 2. The bolt-type feed terminal goes to the battery positive power source. 3. The bolt-type output terminal goes to the starter motor assembly. Thanks for watching. And subscribe to Easy Car Electrics for more details.